What is the best platform for building AI and AI agents? Custom code, Zapier, or Go high level? I tried all three and I choose Go high level. Today, I will break down exactly why, so you don't waste time, money, or energy choosing the wrong tech stack. So welcome back to day 5 of my 30 days AI build in public challenge. I'm creating a full voice AI and conversational chatbot inside Go without writing a single line of code. In this episode, I will explain why I choose Go high level instead of building with Python, Zapier, or third-party tools. So I will share my screen now so that you will see the reason behind this. So let me share my screen. So but before that, here's the truth about custom code AI agents. So firstly, expensive to develop and maintain. So it requires developer plus hosting plus testing. So it takes weeks or months to launch. So hard to quickly update or scale. Great for big budget software service platform or business, not small businesses. For most service businesses or agency, building building AI with code is like buying a private jet to cross the street. Powerful but unnecessary. So second one is Zapier. Why Zapier was not enough. I love Zapier, but here's why I don't use it as a platform. Not built for voice AI or real-time conversation. Limited CRM functionality become it becomes expensive as task scale. Too many moving parts across tools. Good for connection, but not a full AI system. You can say Zapier works as a connector, not as the main engine. Now, why I choose Go high level? Go high level gives everything in one platform. So it has built-in CRM, it has custom field tags and pipeline, it has workflow and automations, it has a chat widget plus SMS, it has a booking plus calendar. It comes with its own AI integration and it will have a marketplace you can monetize your AI in. And it is a widely labeled agency model. That is, you can get high level and change it to your own company. So instead of tapping 5 tools, I can build one AI assistant that answer calls, collect data, book appointment, qualify leads, and update CRM without coding. And that is what we are doing. So, what is the business advantage of this? This is not just a tech decision, it is a business strategy. Firstly, it is faster to launch, easier to clone and resell, work perfectly for local businesses, no developer team required, lower cost to maintain, agency ready for monetization. So Go high level does not just help me build AI, it helped me sell it. And I will show you how you can get your high level to build AI solution. So firstly, um, let me share my screen so that I will go to high level um, page. So becoming so also show us what high level features and how you can get to a high level to build solution. This is the high level page. To get into high level, you go to gohighlevel.com. So it is power of like it's all in one platform. So and it is basically created by a marketer for marketers. So and it has a lot of components. So let me just take us to what high level can do. So compared to other platforms. So these are the tech stack that high level replace, like CRM and pipeline management. So people do use active campaign or this stuff, but high level, you have it in high level. So website builder, people use WordPress and Squarespace. High level have everything. So survey form, people use dot form, new form, type form. High level have everything. So document signing, people use DocSign or Panda Doc. High level have everything. So and community, so people do use Scrum, Mighty Network, with high level process tests. So email marketing, people do use Mailchimp or stuff. So high level have this two-way SMS marketing. So some do use PPO, Podium, Silent. But high level has all this. It's included in this the amount you pay. So the minimum amount you pay is $97. But you have access, you can get the free trial for 14 days, or if you want to go to the unlimited plan, that is $297. But you'll be like, okay, I just want to be a I want to build a solution. I don't want to buy a new uh, account. So good news. High level has something they call developer program. So, and how can you access this? This will give you access to high level JC account for up to 6 months. So, and you will use this to build your AI and you sell it in the marketplace. So, the account you're given is not the kind of one you can have a sub account like you can give other people to. It's for your own personal to develop the AI solution. And how can you get this account? It is easy. What you do is that you go to, let me share the screen for this. So you will go to marketplace.gohighlevel.com. Marketplace.gohighlevel.com. So I will share my screen so that you will be able to see what I'm doing. Sorry. So this is the website. So marketplace.gohighlevel.com. So what is this here? You'll be able to see all the app that is there. But because I have an account before, let me log out so that you will see how that is so look like. Yeah. Sorry. So sorry. I'm coming. Let me look. Okay, let me get the code. Let's go to marketplace at high level. Com. So I will log in now. So, logging in. So This is how your dashboard will look like. So for you to get the agency account to use to build your app, what you do is you go to testing. So under testing, so I have an account here. So but if this will be empty, you just click on create account and you will be given the access to use it. So and you have access to the high level platform. So this is how you get access to high level platform and you'll be able to use it to build an AI solution. This is how it works. So in the next video, I'll walk us through before building the component. I'll walk us through the other part of high level so that you know the part you want to work with. So you can see this agency account that you get if you use coming. Let me share how it will look like. So you need to get an agency account with that. So that is the main uh, thing about you building an AI. The first thing you understand the platform you want to use. So and if you are following this 30 days build, I want to see exactly how I'm Polygon level into full AI employee, hit subscribe and turn on notification. Tomorrow, I will start setting up the core CRM component AI we use. Tomorrow, I'll walk us through the platform of, uh, that the AI, the Go level platform itself, so that we can see how it will work. So, thank you. Till we're making the next episode. Bye.